Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This week we're learning how to sign 10,000 Reasons, also known as Bless the Lord by Matt Redman. This is the second video in the series, so if it's the first one you're seeing, you want to go back. You missed the chorus yesterday. Today we'll be working on verse 1. Housekeeping as always, remember I am left-handed. So if you are right-handed, that means you're going to mirror my signs at home. Also, look below in the description for links to print off the lyrics, purchase a song, and lots of other helpful information. And also, last but not least, please subscribe to the channel or check out the website at signlanguageworship.com. Okay, let's get started. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. Okay, so for that, you're gonna make a horizon here, and you're gonna put your index finger and your thumb together, and that's the sun coming up. Okay, the sun coming up. So that's actually just the sign for dawn. You could actually do the sun comes up, but that's literal. So this is this dawn, okay? The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. So for new, you have your non-dominant hand here and you kind of cup your dominant hand into it, okay? It's a new. It's a new, and then day is like this. So once again, you have the horizon, day, dawning, and you don't have to do dawning again. So we're doing sun comes up, it's a new day. And then it's time to sing your song again. So it's time, pointing to where your watch would be. It doesn't matter here if your hand is flat or a fist, okay? It's time to sing. And then we're not gonna do your song again. You're welcome to if you'd like to, but what I'm going to do is for you again. Okay, so for is index finger towards you and then out. Sometimes you'll see also people doing the letter F in that pattern. Some people also here might want to go to you again. Okay, that's acceptable. And then for again, you have your hand, your non-dominant hand out like this. Your dominant hand has your fingers bent like that, and then again. Okay? So let's try that from the beginning. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Okay, it's time, and we're signing it's time to sing for you again. Whatever, okay? So now we're doing whatever may pass and whatever lies before me. Whatever, so whatever, and then we're gonna do may come. So whatever comes and whatever lies before me, we're gonna do whatever I face, whatever I face, okay? Non-dominant hand straight up and face it, okay? Okay, so whatever may come and whatever lies before me. And then finally, let me be singing when the evening comes. So let, you just do two hands out from your body like this, okay? Let me be singing, and then for when, you have both your index finger, your dominant index finger goes around and then touches it, okay? When, and then the evening, okay? You have your hand out here, that is the horizon, and then evening, sun setting, okay? When the evening, and then comes, we've done that before, index finger out from your body, into your body, whatever comes. Okay, so that is the first verse. Let's try it from the top. The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Sorry, I don't know why I had my hand out there. Comes. Okay, I know it's super tricky in there when we, made some changes and we're signing something different than we're singing. I know that's super tricky. So if you have to sign literal, go ahead and do that, okay? This is intended to be worship to God. So whatever makes your heart worship, that's what you should sign. Let's try it again, okay? The sun comes up, it's a new day dawning. It's time to sing your song again. Whatever may pass and whatever lies before you, before me, let me be singing when the evening comes. Okay, so that's the first verse. After the first verse, the chorus comes again, and then tomorrow we're gonna be learning how to sign verse 2. See you there. Bye. If you liked today's video, please click like. It gives me the encouragement I need to make more. Also, don't forget to subscribe, that way you'll miss no future songs. And lastly, share Sign Language Worship on Facebook. Find a friend to learn sign with. That way, you're both more likely to stick with it. See you later.